How to log out Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Gmail account on Gmail. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Gmail app here and you'll be logged into your account here. As you can see, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and here you can see your multiple accounts here. Now if you just want to switch account, all you have to do is tap on the another email address that you have there on the login here. Simply tap on it and you'll be switched and you'll be logged out of your other account. However, if you want to log out and you want to delete it from your device completely, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon and here what you want to do is tap on manage account on this device option at the bottom. Simply tap on it here and then you can see your various Gmail accounts here. Simply tap on the Gmail account that you want to log out or remove. I'll just select this bpinbuster6465 and there you can see the remove account option. Now, whichever account you head into, you'll find the remove account option. Simply tap on remove account there and enter in your phone password and it'll be removed. So this way you can log out Gmail account or remove Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.